guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you have been here before, you decided to come back and support me by watching this video, thank you so much. This is Online Cash Craft. What I talk about here is different ways that you can make money online. Now in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step and show you how you can actually make some money by the side by watching videos. Now I know what you're thinking about. You're thinking, can I actually make money by just watching videos? Yes, you can. And I'm not telling you something out of the blues that nobody had done before. This is a legit way to make money online by just watching videos. Now, if you stick with me and watch this video to the end, I'm gonna take you step by step and show you different formats that you can use, different platforms that you can use to make money online. Now imagine getting paid for doing something that you love, something that you're already doing anyway, because so many of us will love to watch videos, whether online or offline. So imagine in the comfort of your own home or whatever you are doing or wherever you are, you're just watching your normal videos that you watch and you're getting paid. How is that? Isn't it amazing? So this is what I'm going to show you in this video today, how you can achieve that. Now, making money by watching video online is a great option if you're actually looking to make some money by the side. If you're looking for something to do to earn cash in order to augment your salary or your pay. So guys, this is SwagBucks. Save money, make money. Members like you have already cashed out. Now, this is how much people have cashed out on this platform. 360,932,522. So you can agree that this platform is an amazing platform that people are using. Now, when you join, you get £10 bonus. It depends on your location. Yours can be in dollars, right? Now, all you need to do is you sign up to the platform. You click on where it says, I agree to the terms of use and to receive marketing email messages from SwagBucks, and I accept the the privacy policy. Now you can sign up using your Google account, your Apple, or with email. So these are the three ways in which you can sign up to SwagBucks. So if you already have an account with SwagBucks, all you need to do is you click where it says log in and you log into the platform. Now, how does it work? After you sign up to the platform, you're gonna tell them about yourself. Why is that? They need to use this information to personalize the offers you're going to be getting on the platform. Then you're gonna redeem your gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, or even PayPal. I actually like PayPal because PayPal allows you to pay the money straight from PayPal to your bank account. It's as simple as that. And how do you get this money? You get paid to answer surveys, and trust me guys, this is anytime, anywhere that you are. You can actually do surveys wherever you are on the face of this planet. You understand? And so this is why this is so good. Now, the first thing you need to sign up, there are a few websites and apps that pay you to watch videos, and this SwagBucks is one of them. Okay, at these platforms, they offer a variety of videos, from ads and movie trailers to short clips and TV shows. That is to tell you that SwagBucks is just an amazing place to be, right? Now, sign up now. When you click on where it says sign up now, you sign up to the platform. You can see there, sign up now. You sign up and you start earning. Like I've mentioned, the different ways that you can earn money on the platform. You can see that. And trust me, there are so many people who had made a lot of money using SwagBucks, you know. Now, these are testimonials of people that have used this particular platform. You can see their testimonials, how much they have paid members globally, 360 million plus in dollars. Now, gift cards that people have redeemed daily, over 7,000. Those gift cards, you can use them to buy anything you like, or you can actually use them in restaurants. It's entirely up to you. Their gift cards are accepted like in so many places. So this is the good thing about it. Now, how can you maximize your earnings? You maximize your earnings by watching TVs. Let me quickly say that watching TVs alone might not make you rich, but there are ways to boost your income. Now, first, you watch videos during your free time, like when you are free, you are cooking, you're doing your chores, you just put it on and you're watching and you're earning money. Now, while you're cleaning, you're commuting, so you are actually earning without taking too much of your time, without putting too much of your time into this. This is the good part of this. Now, they have over 1,500 merchants that you can select from. All right, and these are the popular merchants they have. You can see Amazon, Best Buy, and so many. So you are not gonna miss anything. That is, you have so many of them that you can choose from, even Home Depot, Cost, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is a good place to be if you want to earn money by the side. Remember, earning money by the side is not going to make you a billionaire overnight. It takes consistency, right? It takes consistency, and you just have to know what you want and you stick by what you want. This is absolutely how it works, guys. And I cannot stress this any longer. So I'm going to take you to the second platform and show you how you can also earn online. You can make money online via watching a video. Be rewarded for taking surveys, searching the web, and this platform is called InboxPounds. If your currency is dollars, it's going to be Inbox dollars. Now join for free. £1 bonus the moment you join. I agreed to the terms of use and to receive marketing email messages from InboxPounds, and I accept the privacy policy. You have to check that. Now you can sign up to this platform using your Google account, Apple, or using your email address. So these are the three ways you can sign up. And another thing, guys, if you have already signed up to the platform, just click on where it says log in, and then you would have logged into the platform. Now, how does this InboxPounds work? First, brands paid them for consumer input. Consumer, you and I are the consumers. Now, they will recruit members like us to do what? To do online activities like taking surveys, watching videos, and more. And then you get paid real cash. Yes, you get paid real cash. This is how simple the platform is, and this is how to navigate the platform. Very simple. Now, they have paid over £2 million to their members worldwide. So it tells you that this can be done wherever you are in the world. So this is not location restricted, and they have amazing partners that have partnered with them. Partners like the Harrispool, Audible.co.uk, Ladbrokes Bingo. So these are the partners that have partnered with them. So you guys can agree that if you really want to make money by the side, yeah, this is where to be. This is the platform to be. Now, there are ways you can maximize your earnings. Watching videos alone might not make you rich, yes, but there are ways to boost your income. First, you have to watch videos during your free time, like when you're cooking, you're cleaning, or even commuting. It's easy that way to earn without taking too much of your time, okay? So you have to find ways and to navigate around all of this, okay? Now, this is how this platform works, guys. And yeah, so if you check here, the Amazon gift card, PayPal Cash, and all other gift cards, this is the reward. This is the reward they have. And like I said, you can download this on your Google Play or App Store. So guys, jump on this and start making money online. So guys, the last platform we'll be dealing with today is called MyPoints, right? So this MyPoints, you're going to redeem gift cards rewards. It's M points to redeem for free gift card rewards. Now, these are the platforms you can use to redeem your points. Walmart gift card, eBay, and other ones. Okay, now join now for free. Get a $5 welcome bonus. As the moment you join, you get a welcome bonus. Now, how are you gonna join? You add your email address, you create password between 8 to 32 characters. Now you check where it says I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. I also agree to receive periodic emails with offers and promotional marketing messages from MyPoints. Then you click on join now. And if you've already signed up to this platform, just click on where it says sign in, and that is it. So what are the ways to earn money using MyPoints? Now, shopping up to 20 points equals $1 cash back. Can you see that? Earn points on groceries and online shopping, get special deals and free access to the best coupon codes. So if you are someone like me that love coupon codes, guys, this is the platform to be. Now, surveys up to 2,200 points per survey, right? Companies want to hear from you, earn cash and reward for sharing your opinion. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is how this platform actually works. You share your opinion and then you play fun and games up to 4 points per dollar per game. You can see, so you can play games on this platform and you earn money. Get rewarded for playing games and daily challenges, online mobile games, puzzles, trivia, and more. So that is why I like MyPoint, guys, because there are different ways you can make money on this platform. It's not just by watching videos. No, you can do playing online games. You can do surveys. Now, redeeming your points. These are the platforms. Even Sephora, you can use Sephora. You can use Apple. You can use all of this to redeem your points. Now, what are people actually saying concerning this platform? You can see the rating of Trustpilot based on 24,055 reviews on Trustpilot. These are what people are saying. Trustpilot gave them excellent, guys. If they are not excellent, Trustpilot isn't going to say that. Now, quick delivery of gift card. You can see what this customer said, and it was posted 6 hours ago. And the other one says, oh, it's moving too quick. And the other one says, very easy to navigate. I enjoy doing surveys on the platform, and so many other reviews. Very easy to redeem my points, and the gift card arrived in about 2 days. So you can see, guys, that this is reviews by people who had used this platform to make money, to earn. This is one of the sites online with lots of things to do. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just sign up to this platform if you want to earn online. It's so easy to navigate. Join now. Bonus terms: $5 of the sign up bonus will be rewarded upon email confirmation. So this is the thing. When you are signing up, make sure you sign up with your authentic email address, because they're going to send you email to confirm. And as soon as you confirm that email, they're going to pay you $5. Yeah, they are going to pay you $5 as soon as you confirm the email. You have to look out for special offers or bonuses on these platforms, because sometimes they will pay you extra to watch certain videos or participate in surveys. Right? So now combining these activities can really add up. And before you know it, you will have a nice little side income. You get what I mean? Yeah. So you just have to take that on board. And yeah, so get paid to answer surveys. Each point reward for completing surveys and sharing your opinions. Join millions of people online and earn. Yeah. join people to earn. You can see these are testimonials and all of that people had actually earned online. Guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. You just have to jump on this and start earning. Once you've earned enough points on cash, it's time to cash out. So different ways you're going to cash out on all of these platforms that I have shown you. Okay, different ways. And yeah, so remember, this is a side hustle. It isn't gonna make you a billionaire overnight. All you need is consistency. You just have to be consistent in doing this, right? And remember, every little bit counts. Even if you're making just $50 or $200 a month, that is money you didn't even have before, and it can go a very long way, guys, especially if you're saving up for something special, like maybe somebody's birthday and stuff like that. Yeah, so so this is it, guys. And yeah, so you can save on every purchase, including groceries and household things, and these are the platforms, Walmart, Target, that you can spend your gift card on. Discover special deals and offers. When you discover special deals and offers, you earn more. All right, you earn more, and you spend your gift card. You can see there are so many shops where you can actually spend your gift card. And yeah, so and I think that is it for today, guys. Okay, guys, that is all I have for you for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, give me a subscribe, because I drop content like this all the time and you don't want to miss any. And do give me a thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to click on the bell notification. When I drop a video, YouTube is going to notify you so that you watch that particular video. Now, once again, thank you for sticking around with me to watch this. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Which of these platforms that I have shown you are you going to try? Or are there other ones that you want me to have a look? So let me know. Now, I think you might want to watch the next video up there. So thank you for watching.